Hello, everyone. I'm sure you've heard a lot about different types of hair like Remy hair, virgin hair, and 100% human hair, but do you really understand the differences between them? Are you still confused about which one to choose for yourself or your customers? In today's video, I will help you clearly differentiate these three types of hair, covering quality, durability, and price, so you can make the right decision for your needs. And don't forget to watch until the end, because I will reveal some hair industry secrets that not everyone knows. Let's start with virgin hair, one of the highest quality hair types available on the market today. Virgin hair is completely natural and has never undergone any chemical processes such as dyeing, perming, bleaching, or any other chemical treatment. This means that the hair still retains its cuticle, and all cuticles run in one direction, making the hair smooth and tangle-free. The biggest advantage of virgin hair is its long-lasting durability. If properly cared for, virgin hair can last anywhere from 1 to 2 years, or even longer. This is why virgin hair is much more expensive compared to other types of hair. However, it's important to note that virgin hair is typically available in hair extensions, not wigs. For this reason, virgin hair is often used in high-end products like hair extensions, premium wigs, and especially for those who want the most natural, durable, and beautiful hair. Next, let's talk about Remy hair, another very popular type of hair in the industry. Remy hair can be considered as the sibling of virgin hair, but there's one key difference. Remy hair may have undergone some light chemical processing like steam treatments, but the cuticle is still intact and running in the same direction. This helps reduce tangling and breakage, making Remy hair easier to manage than other types of hair. With Remy hair, you can still enjoy durability and high quality, but compared to virgin hair, its lifespan is not as long. However, Remy hair is more affordable, making it a popular choice for many consumers and salons. Interestingly, if you choose high-quality Remy hair, it can still be dyed or styled to your liking, but you need to pay attention to maintaining its quality throughout use. Finally, we have 100% human hair, a very popular choice, but one that can be easily misunderstood. 100% human hair is real hair, but it has undergone a process to strip the cuticle, making it easier to create hairpieces or extensions. Because of this, while it is real human hair, its durability is not as high as virgin or Remy hair. Since the cuticle has been removed, 100% human hair is more likely to tangle and become dry, especially at the nape or in longer strands. If you want to use 100% human hair for extensions, you need to take great care to avoid breakage, tangling, and dryness. 100% human hair is more affordable, but it will require more maintenance and care to keep it in good condition. So, when comparing these three types of hair, which one will you choose? Virgin hair is the best option if you need a durable, natural product that will last a long time, but it comes at a premium price. Remy hair is the ideal choice if you want high-quality hair at a more affordable price and don't want to spend too much. 100% human hair is the budget-friendly option, but it will require more care to avoid quick damage. If you're looking for quality hair at a reasonable price, Remy hair might be the best choice. However, if you want to invest in long-lasting, natural-looking hair, virgin hair is the perfect option. Conclusion: 1 minute. I hope this video has helped you understand the differences between Remy hair, virgin hair, and 100% human hair. Don't forget to share your choice with me in the comments, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them below. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.